guess, wala lang, is Mr. Icon, Beatmaster. What's next? Of course, it's Miss Icon! This descendant of vampires will make you enchant with her magical performance. Won't you wish to have Yurika Sama suck your blood? You were invited to witness Yurika Toro take over the stage. Introducing our next performer for Miss Icon Solo Cosplay Competition. Cosplaying as Yurika Toro from Ankatsu, let's welcome Missy Chan!
Do you want me to sign the second one?
Alright, thank you so much to Yurika-sama! Alright, so this question was sent today by Love Swan. Okay, so Love Swan, if you are here, yeah. I can't believe I get to watch Yurika-sama live today. What is your favorite song?
Definitely Last Dance. And thank you so much for that loyal servant.
For all the loyal servants that are here today, what would you like to tell them, Yurika-sama?
Everyone, I'm looking for a servant that I can use and can outlive me. So I can have a descendant along with my Count Dracula.
Ooh, alright! So would you like to plug anything, like for example, social media that everybody can follow you on?
Actually, everyone, I am just possessing Misty Chan right now. You can have or follow her on her Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Misty Chan or Yura Vida Misty. Please follow my search.